Without wasting time, let's start our video Fennec versus MSMC. So here you can see MSMC and then you see Fennec. The major compatibility, the major difference between these two guns are about fire rate, damage and stability. As you can see, MSMC is much better in stability, damage and range, but in comparison to Fennec, it have less fire rate by 90. Fennec have 111 fire rate and MSMC have 92 fire rate. Let's talk about stability. As you can see, MSMC is slightly better than Fennec in stability and also damage plus range. But Fennec, as you can see, have higher fire rate in comparison to MSMC. But it is also a bigger disadvantage when we are in a battle or in a fight. Then we need higher bullet. We doesn't require that much high fire rate, but we require more concentration on our firing and our aiming. As you can see, MSMC have more damage than Fennec. Also, it have more damage than Fennec at long distance. As you can see, it has damage 26 and 27. As comparison to Fennec, it have 23 and 22. When we increase the difference, when we increase the distance between our V and our enemy, then you can see the major difference comes here is of damage. Fennec is not long range weapon. As you can see, Fennec doesn't have that much bigger damage at long distance, but in short range, Fennec is a very lethal weapon, and in comparison to MSMC, Fennec is a great weapon. But as for a competitive gamers, I always recommend you and advise you that you use every gun, use every SMG. I have every SMG, almost every SMG unlocked, QXR, RUS, and these two SMG. I unlocked their gold camos. Also, I now try for Damascus camo, as Damascus camo is a proof of your legendariness. So let's start about stability. As you can see, Fennec is not great at long distance stability, but in comparison to MSMC, have a great stability at this long distance. But when you are come to a short range fight, then MSMC have some disadvantages. But as MSMC have a great name from my company, MSC Median Shipping Company, I love this company and I want to join this company. I'm trying to try my application form for this company. So that's also a reason why I love MSMC, because when you make a set of MSMC, then it's become MSC. Let's we talk about in Battleground. As you can see, in Battleground, our MSMC have slightest disadvantage, and the disadvantage is also a lag. It's also because of that. In MSMC view, you can see a bigger lag happening here. Because of that lag, it becomes almost impossible for me to fight against these type of enemies. They are ranked match player, and it's too tough for me to fight against them because this is a custom match. This is not a random match. These players are custom players. Mostly the guy in Black Tango, that was a great. Wait a minute. For my personal advice, I recommend you to use every gun, every SMG, every shotgun, because every gun have its own advantage and disadvantage. This is my first video on this series. Fennec versus SMG. Next video will be AK-117 versus AK-47. Then Fennec Infiltrate versus वो दूसरे high fire rate guns, other guns, and also shotgun about Echo versus Burst Fire and other. So keep subscribe my channel, and if you subscribe my channel, if you pay $30, that was not happening here. So the major point here is that was sacrificial, right? Also use pistol in your short fight. If you are using Fennec, then use this type of pistols also. Listen bro, I also forget to tell you one thing, that after firing 25 bullets, another 5 bullets, MSMC lost its recoil, lost its stability completely. You can only fire 15 bullets at a time, so make sure that you first hide, then fire 25 bullets, then hide, then reload, or not reload, then use those other 5 bullets. So that was a great experience, that was a great idea if you want to do it. And also, if you are using MSMC, then always remember that if your enemy is too fast, then you use fast reload. If your enemy is not that much powerful, never ever use 11 bullets mag. That mag was sucks, man. You can only fire 15 bullets of MSMC without recoil. After that, you need to face a higher amount of recoil, higher rate of recoil. So make sure that you didn't do this mistake. I do this mistake many times. So फिर मिलेंगे दोस्त.